Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are a beginner, today's video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, I will teach you how you can create a flipping kids storybook using Canva, ChatGPT, and Gemini. It's very easy, and you can create this type of storybook completely free and in just a few minutes, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, so you can get all my new helpful tutorials on time. So let's get started. First open Canva. Now go to Templates section and type Storybook in search bar. Now select this. After this, you will see many templates, but we will choose Create Blank because we are creating everything from scratch. Now a blank canvas will open in front of you. Now open ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Write a short story for ages 5 to 8 that includes a girl, a parrot, and a forest. Now it will write a story for you. The story it generated here has the title Mina and the talking parrot. You can also have it generate many other different types of stories. Now again you will give it another prompt. Now divide this story into Canva book pages. ChatGPT will divide the story into book pages for you, which you can easily add to your book. Here, it has divided the story into 16 pages for me. Now type again. Provide prompts for generating images. It will give you separate prompts for each line, which you can use to generate images with any software or AI tool. Now I am copying this prompt and generating an image with Gemini. And from here you can create completely free images. Now copy all these prompts one by one, go to Gemini, paste them there, and generate images. Repeat this process for generating all images. I have generated images from all the prompts I took from ChatGPT for each page of this book. Now download all the images. Now again go to Canva and upload all the images, the ones you have saved on the desktop. Now, to create the book title, select the first image and set it as the background. Then, copy the title from the story you created with ChatGPT and paste it in the text tab by adding a heading. After that, go to Effects, select the background, and then choose Curve. Finally, adjust its value. Now, go to Fonts and change its style. I'm choosing Copper BT, but you can select any font. Then, duplicate this text and change it to something else, like I am writing kids' storybook. After that, go to Effects, set the curve to negative, and adjust it. After this, click on Add Page to add a new page. Then, go to Uploads and add the first image, setting it as the background. After that, reduce its transparency. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Cloud Frame. In the Frames section, choose any frame you like. I have selected one. Then, go to Uploads, take the image you generated for the second page of the book, and drag it into the frame to add it. Now click the background image, and after this, go to Edits, and in the Duotone section, choose any effect you like. I have selected this one. After this, copy the story text for the second page into the text area. Now, replace the heading with that text, then, reduce its size. After that, go to the font style options and change the style. I am choosing Comic Sans here because it will look a bit more attractive. Duplicate this page so a new page will be added. Now design this third page. Delete the existing image, then go to Elements and add a new frame. After that, go to Uploads and drag the image that was generated for the third page into this frame. Then copy the story text meant for the third page and replace it with the existing text, adjusting it as needed. After that, duplicate the page again. Now delete the image and go to Elements. Search for Blob Frame and choose a frame from that section. I selected this one. Adjust the frame. Then go to Uploads and drag the image that was generated for the fourth page into the frame. After that, copy the story text for the fourth page and replace the existing text with it, adjusting it as needed. Repeat the same process for all the remaining pages to design them. Here I have designed all the pages. Now, to design the last page, go to Uploads, add the image that was generated for it, and set it as the background. Here is the final result. You can also create a kid's storybook like this and sell it on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, and Gumroad. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.